2023 has passed. Looking back on the past 365 days, the days and nights and stars we have experienced together, all freeze again at the moment of the arrival of the new year, becoming a life image that walks hand in hand with you. This year, we undertake the same mission with different responsibilities. Whether in difficult times or in the hall of toasting and celebrating, we always have a strong you around us, bringing endless warmth and hope. When the New Year's bell rings, our cloud sails soar high, day travel and night gallop, together transform the wind of the times into a force to move forward. On the land of our motherland in the new era, set sail with you. When the first ray of sunshine in 2024 shines into the window, we walk with our gaze once again. Every effort will bring rewards. Every struggle will have an echo.
新一年里，祝大家工作顺利，事事顺心。